Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you if your Wi-Fi is connected but you are not able to access the internet. So in this video I'll show you the quick fix. So the first step is that you need to reinstall the Wi-Fi driver. For that what you're gonna do is you will open the device manager, search device manager. In the search bar open the device manager and then you will go to the network adapter. Now you will look for your Wi-Fi driver. So this is my Wi-Fi driver. So what I'm going to do is just I will uninstall this. Just right click and uninstall this device. Right now the Wi-Fi is disconnected. If you look at over here, there is no Wi-Fi. So what I'm going to do in order to reinstall this, there are two ways. One way is that you will go over here, action, and just click scan for hardware changes. So it will automatically install the driver if it is missing. So right now it is just installing the driver. Just wait. Look, it has been installed again. Now let me just connect the Wi-Fi again. Where is the Wi-Fi? This one is my Wi-Fi. I will just connect it again and I have to provide the password over here. So just quickly provide the password and enter. And now look, I am connected. So this is the first way of reinstalling the driver. Now if the issue is still not fixed, what you can do is just run these commands. You will reset DNS plus TCP IPs, run all these commands in the command prompt. So open command prompt, search command prompt and run as admin. After that click yes, and then one by one you will run these commands. You will run this command in order. Just copy and paste the command over here and press enter. Okay, we are done with this command. Just copy and paste the command. Second command, enter. We are done. And then let me just execute this command as well. Just copy and paste, quickly copy and paste the command. And then finally I'm going to run the last two commands. And yes, we are done. And then last but not the least, I will run my last command, renew command, enter. So I'm going to provide all these commands in the below description. All you need to do is just copy and paste. If the issue is still not fixed, so now I'm going to restart my computer. So see you after the restart. So guys, I've done the restart, and if the issue is still not fixed, what you can do is reset your network settings. So this is the last step that you can do is just go in the search bar and type settings. And after that, you will go in the network and internet and then go down, go to the advanced network settings. And after that, you have to go down and then you will go to the option called network reset. And then all you need to do is just click reset now. It will restart your computer, and after that it will reset your network components. Just click reset now. So I'm not going to do it now. You just need to do it if the issue is not fixed for you. So that's it. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.